we are happy with the preparations that have been put in place by IEBC.
None of those demands that we made have been met or responded to.
Kiama kia Jubilee na gwatanira NASA kuhinyereria mirugamo miruru ona thutha wa gucemania na IEBC.
Kamite ya hamwe bunge-ini ya bururi na ya Senate kwambiriria guthikiriria mawoni megie mogaruruku maria mendekithitio watho-ini wa githurano.
University ya Nairobi kuhigwo thutha wa arutwo kururungana hwai wa ira makienda Vice Chancellor Professor Peter Bithi atige wira.
Aroti aria matageithanagia ni ahoi na mahingagwo ni Ngai.
Na thiini wa riboti ito ya kihumo kia mokurino umuthi turamurika mugeithanirie na mirire ya akurino.